Miranda has a circular mirror with a circumference of 14.13. What is its area? Use 3.14 for pi and round to the nearest hundredth. So we have a circular mirror. Let me try to draw a quick circle here. We have a circular mirror like so, and it says it has a circumference of 14.13. So the circumference is 14.13. That is C. It says, what is the area? So we want to find out the area. So our circumference, as we know, 14.13. The formula for a circumference is the diameter times pi. In this case, they told us to use 13.14 for pi. So 14.13 is equal to the diameter, which we're going to find out, times 3.14. In order for me to find out my diameter, to get diameter by itself, I have to get rid of this 3.14. So I divide this side since I'm multiplying here. I want to get rid of this 13.14 by dividing. I divide both sides by 3.14, and I get that D is equal to 4.5. Now, in order for us to find the area, we need to use pi times the radius squared. We need to find r, not d. So to get d by itself, we know that d is equal to 2 times the radius. And if we want to get r by itself, we get rid of this 2, divide this side by 2, divide this side by 2. We know that this cancels out, so we know that the radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2. So if we want to find the radius using the diameter, we can just divide 4.5 by 2. So 4.5 divided by 2 gives me r is equal to 2.25. Now we plug this number into the area formula. The area is equal to, again, we're going to use 3.14 times it by r squared. So 2.25. First we're going to square it, and then we're going to multiply it by 13.14. So 2.25 times 2.25, which is what squared is, gives me, I'm going to write this number out still. This comes out to become 5.0625. When I multiply this, I get 15.89625. Now in the question, it tells us to round to the nearest hundredth. Nearest hundredth is this 9 right here. This is our tens, and this is our hundreds. So this 6 makes this 9 go up, and this 9 makes that 8 go up. So our total answer now is going to be rounded to the nearest hundred. It's going to be 15.90 inches squared, which is answer B.